Want to create beat sync videos like this? Let's jump into the tutorial. First, import your photos or videos and music into the timeline. Make sure to set the aspect ratio and remove original audio if needed. Then add beat markers to your music to sync your clips more easily. Next, add a rectangle mask on the clip aligned with the first beat. Adjust the mask size and position, then add keyframe. Move one frame forward and add another keyframe. Then move the mask outside the frame. Move to the next beat, add the same mask again, then add keyframe. Move one frame and add keyframe. Then move mask outside frame. Repeat the same steps for the third and fourth beats. Press play to preview. Copy the clip and place it at the fifth beat. Adjust all keyframes to match the beat markers. Repeat the same steps for the next clips. Press play to check the result. Once everything looks good, replace clip 2 and clip 3 with other clips you prepared. Simply click the new clip, drag and drop to replace the existing clip. Press play to preview the final result. Great, you've successfully created a cinematic beat sync video. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques. Make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.